Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you Windows 10 11 how to turn off a VPN. So guys, very easy. If you want to turn off a VPN, click on Start, tap here Settings, open Settings. After guys, click on Network and Internet. And here option Proxy, so click it Proxy. And if you want to use, so /2 on position. And after enter the address and port, click on save. And guys, if you want to turn off, so /2 off position. Yes. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn off a VPN. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video or food or not. Thank you for watching.